Good day. My name is Demetrius Safridis, and I'm the founder of Cargo. We are a Burlington-based technology company that specializes in space optimization and crane automation systems for the metals industry. In our first 3 years, we were able to double our growth in the US, Canada, and the UK. We're looking to expand on that growth and double again next year by going into Australia, South America, and Europe.
TELIA is Cargo Tech's patented space optimization technology. Using complex algorithms, it's TELIA's job to make warehouses in the storage and heavy material handling industries more operationally efficient. TELIA began operations in 2004. The technology was originally designed for Cargo's own third-party logistics facilities. Since her inception, TELIA software is now installed at steel mills, transload facilities, service centers, toll processors, and ports all over North America and Europe. A standard TELIA solution can improve your space utilization by 30 to 50% compared to a manual crane operation. In our original installation, we required only 19 inches between coil rows. Since then, through a combination of precision automation and new equipment design, we were able to reduce this by 20% to further improve TELIA's storage optimization capabilities. No operators are required within TELIA's space, so labor savings are exceptional, and because the cranes are automated, the operation runs damage-free. Our software removes the need for fixed bunks and can utilize a number of alternative bunking systems. TELIA drives the crane to the precise coordinates of the coil, regardless of width, and can ensure that safe, secure stacking is always achieved. A 40-inch coil will never end up in a 60-inch bunk. In a conventional warehouse, the speed of the crane is limited by the speed of an operator walking alongside it. A TELIA crane can move at 300 to 450 feet per minute, so you can imagine the impact on productivity. In contrast, you'll notice the hoist speed on a coil placement has been adjusted to be gentle, deliberate, and careful. This is absolutely essential for handling sensitive steel like automotive exposed. But it's when the operators are not present that the system really excels. TELIA never sleeps and is always working on the next priority task. TELIA takes advantage of downtime by utilizing smart staging. This allows the automated crane to use pre-digging features that retrieve coils overnight that are needed for processing or shipping during the day. Orders are picked, staged, rows are tidied up, and inventory is put away. It's all done unsupervised and in the dark. A lot of mills and service centers are reluctant to stack their more sensitive coils too high. The big fear? Damage. Cargo software puts that fear to rest. Since we've started, we've handled more than 7 million moves without a single claim. We've never even lost a coil. Ever. At Cargo, we know steel inside and out, but we're also innovators. We're constantly searching for better ways to do things. Currently, our TELIA coil product is in its 3rd generation and offers a menu of options.
Cargo has created a comprehensive product development program with ideation from 4 major streams. This has been key to the development of new features and applications, as well as complementary product offerings that address our clients' needs. Our commitment to research and development is significant, with custom labs for idea generation, testing and development, as well as strong ties to local universities and colleges to develop these technologies further.
While TELIA for Coil is our flagship offering, we have expanded over the last 10 years to include a range of different lifters to accommodate a variety of different materials, such as sheets, plate, slabs, pipe, and tube products. In addition, we have automated a diverse range of different material handling resources, such as cranes, transfer cars, conveyors, accumulation tables, and AGVs, to bring all the material handling within your facility into one intralogistics solution with TELIA. We invented this warehouse optimization software. We have used it ourselves, and you too can join the hundreds of other automated resources that TELIA has under her control.
Hello, I'm Kurt Fowler, Chief Commercial Officer with TELIA. TELIA can be a game changer for your operation. The ROI is immediate, and with storage increases over 40% and throughput gains above 30%, TELIA essentially pays for itself. Whether evaluating expansions or new buildings, we can help you minimize cost and maximize profit. Safety is our priority, and that translates to your bottom line. TELIA has moved millions of tons of steel without a lost time injury. Thank you for visiting TELIA. We look forward to working with you.